For review today, we have this mini printer. It is Prevu label maker machine. This one's in white. It does require an app, so we'll get into all that after we unbox. Here's how it comes in the box. There's a unit itself, kind of slick. These letters don't do anything. There's a button here, I'm assuming the power button. Feed on the bottom, USB-C. Although I think this is Bluetooth, about to find out. And this ejects the door so you can change your labels. I don't think it takes a standard type of label. It's probably the labels they sell, but I'd have to look into that a little bit more. There's the unit. Here's the quick start guide. Let's see here. Cover, indicator light, power on and off, USB-C, powered on. Download iLabel, connect to print, Bluetooth. Yes, okay, good. And then here is the how you change the thermal paper. That out of the way. Comes with standard USB-C to USB-A cable. Then we have the unit itself. And I have a tablet here I'm going to use to download the app, which isn't on the label maker, it's only on the box and the instructions. So let's scan this and see. Alright, so iLabel 3.5 stars. I'm usually a little sketched out with these no-name apps. Let's see what it does here. Turn on Bluetooth. Reset. Not seeing a, oh, there it went. There's the light. Okay, I'm guessing it's this. Wait, that says camera. Let's just see if that's it. Let's go back over to the App Store. Open that up. Scan to connect. Why would you need GPS and location to scan? That's weird. Okay, so it did find it. Alright. Device connected. Next. Okay, I don't have any saved. Okay. Width, height of the label. Okay. Gap would be the labels that peel off in between. Continuous would be just a single roll. So apparently it supports a lot of different types of media. Let's see what we can. New build is spelt newly. They spelled that wrong. Let's try a QR code. Let's do my YouTube channel. How about that? Let's see. Let me grab it here real quick. Okay, share channel, copy link, and then let's go back over here and paste the link in here. Okay. Confirm. And then we can make it bigger. Let's try that. And then print. Let's see what this bad boy does. Unknown error. Please restart app. Try it again. Unknown error. Please restart app. That's not good. It's still powered on. Should be connected. Let's see here. Check the Bluetooth. Make sure it's still connected. Paired devices. It's paired. Okay. I will restart app and I guess see what happens. Okay, so I'll click newly build again, QR code, paste it in here, firm, and print. Make sure your Bluetooth printer IC and go connect. What? It should be okay or go to connections, right? This was clearly broken English here. It says connected device, not device connecting. I don't even know what it's doing right now. This ain't looking good so far. Shouldn't take this long to connect to it if it's already paired. I'm going to give it another shot. I'm going to go to settings. I'm going to delete that Bluetooth device. Unpair. I'm going to turn Bluetooth off. Turn it back on. And then I'm going to go back into the app and see if I can repair through the app. Okay. Not connected. Searching. Maybe this needs to be put in pairing mode. Alright, it's flashing now. So we'll try searching again. Even though it shows up here, I wanted it to... It says search for the following devices and connect. So I don't know if that's there by default or what. Let's try going to Bluetooth and going to the device again. Pair. Then go back to the app. Search again. It's still flashing over here. I guess I'll just click on that. Still flashing like it's pairing, and it just says connected device over here. Okay, here we go. Now we got a pairing request. Let's try that again. This is what causes a lot of product returns because people just don't want to have to deal with this. They don't want to buy something and have to spend 30 minutes trying to get it connected. It should just be smooth. You already had to give it all kinds of permissions to your freaking location history and all kinds of crap. Back to here again. Name popped up here, so that's a good sign. The printer temperature is too high. How? I'm in a controlled environment. There's nothing hot in here. It's like 69 degrees in here. Okay. We'll try this one last time before I'm just going to not recommend this at all. Confirm. Make the QR code bigger. Quickly, and then click print. Finally, see, this looks promising. How many times do I have to confirm to print? 3, 4 times? Print. Yeah, this is a piece of crap. Don't recommend it. Don't get it. Don't waste your time or your money. Thumbs down.